Hello friend, welcome to today's video. Today we will talk about a very useful antibiotic syrup that helps fight many types of infection, Cefim syrup. If your child has fever, throat pain, ear infection or urinary tract infection, this video is for you. What is Cefim syrup? Cefim syrup contains Cefixime, which is a strong antibiotic medicine. It helps kill harmful bacterial infection in the body and caused by the bacterial. It is commonly used for child, but adult can also take it if prescribed a doctor. Cefim syrup used for throat infection, ear infection, chest infection, urinary infection. It's mean UTI, thyroid infection यानी कि thyroid fever, skin and tooth or gum infection. Its dose, the dose depend upon the age and weight of the child. Usually given once or two time a day. And its side effect: stomach pain, loose motion, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting and skin rash. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.